Hello everyone, good afternoon.
Selamat siang.
Welcome back again to Rumah Budaya virtual program. And for today's episode, we will do Khanna bana time, which is like cooking.
Banana.
Cooking. What's banana?
Khanna banana, like making.
Oh, banana is making. Okay, I thought the banana. So since we are not a cook, of course we will invite a cook.
And today I'm going to try some Indonesian food.
The first time. Yeah. Because you never have Indonesian food before, right?
Never.
Yes. So she just recently joining the embassy and in our team. So you will see her more. Yes. You'll see more than before. Without further ado, let's invite our cook, Tika. Hi, Teh.
Hi everyone, hello Arman, hello Alice.
Okay, so Tika, explain a bit about yourself.
Okay.
Where you're from?
Okay, I'm Tika. I'm originally from West Java. And today we will make gado-gado. Today I make gado-gado from Surabaya.
Okay. So now, without further ado, we will cook gado-gado, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so for that we will need the ingredients. So now let's call the ingredients to come to this table.
Okay.
By clapping our hands.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we have all the ingredients for gado-gado, right? So where should we begin, Tika?
First, all the vegetables.
Vegetables, okay. So let's have the vegetables
Yes,
first.
this is mung bean sprout,
Mung bean
or
sprout,
we call toge. We have tomato,
tomatoes, basic tomatoes.
curly lettuce,
Okay.
or you can use iceberg lettuce. It's okay.
Oh, okay. So this is the
Fresh.
Fresh.
Okay. We bought it yesterday, so like okay. And the other one, other than lettuce,
This is cabbage.
cabbage. Okay. The how much is the cabbage that we?
You can make it quarter or
It's about
half.
half kg, right?
Yeah, half kg. Cucumber.
Cucumber.
We only need one.
We only need one.
Yes.
Okay, we can only need one. But again, if you like cucumber, you can add more. Okay, and then
Then carrot.
carrots.
Carrots.
Okay. How many carrots for this one
Carrots.
also?
Two carrots. You can add all the vegetable actually. I mean, all vegetable in your fridge.
Tofu.
Tofu, this is protein we can add, and then tempe also we can add.
Tempeh. Yes. Can you also use paneer or something?
I don't think so because the taste of the paneer is kind of cheesy. The different version from this area is this
Oh, the coconut sauce.
coconut milk.
The coconut milk.
So yes,
Yeah.
we add this, but some area not put
They don't put the coconut milk.
They
Okay.
don't put this.
Yes.
And the next one is, of course, we use peanut.
Peanut. Okay, this is the original one.
We fry it until like golden. I think like
Golden brown. And then what are these?
And then we have brown sugar, or you call usually jaggery.
Jaggery. Okay.
Jaggery.
So not the brown sugar, but it has to be the jaggery one, right?
Jaggery
Because
one.
sometimes
And then we have tamarind paste.
tamarind paste, which is this one. This is from Indonesia.
Originally from Indonesia.
Is it different from Indian version?
Taste Indian version different, little bit different. They put like little bit salt, so it will be salty.
Okay.
But this one is only sour. I usually get from Aina Market.
Aina Market.
Aina Market.
And then
And then we add chili. This is
Chili?
Indian chili. I prefer use this because it's not spicy. Rather than this. Sorry, this one. This one is spicy.
The pink one is spicy and
the bit fat one,
yeah, it's
the
not.
bit hollow one in the middle, and this
With this,
spicy.
child can eat peanut sauce.
Oh, okay.
Oh, sorry. This is 25 grams, and also the garlic 25 grams. You fried it whole. I mean, don't cut it. Just whole. You fried it.
Oh, okay.
Don't cut.
So after you cut the skin, and then you just directly fried it.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't cut
and don't cut it.
Okay.
And then we have like salt, sugar, and then this is mushroom powder, or maybe you can add
Mushroom MSG.
Yeah. Or chicken powder, up to you.
Oh, chicken powder. Okay.
Because this is vegetarian version, so I add this mushroom
Mushroom
powder.
MSG.
Mm.
Okay. The first step, I believe this is for the sauce, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So how we do it?
Our
Yeah.
mother usually use ulekan.
Oh, with the stone
Yes.
tassels. Stone tassels. Yes, right.
Yeah.
Tassels. Yeah.
Live in India.
These days we don't use that. We just pour it.
Simplify your life. The ingredients,
All of the ingredients. Okay.
which are the
Garlic.
white, the garlic. How is it white onion?
So we're gonna put the whole chili into it,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Jaggery.
Jaggery. Okay. All jaggeries are there. So this will be like basically sweet, right? Like a sweet sauce.
Sweet
Okay,
sauce.
Yeah.
And then this is mushroom powder,
Mushroom powder,
salt,
salt,
and then sugar.
sugar. Okay. And then you put the
Put just a little bit of coconut milk. The rest you will put on the stove. I mean on the pan.
on the pan. Okay.
Don't put
Everything. So this is to make the all blending together, right? Yes. Okay. And then you blend.
blend like this.
Yeah. It is very thick though.
Yes.
So this is the consistency that you want, right? It's something like what curry?
Yeah, it looks like curry.
Like a chicken korma
Indian,
curry.
Yeah,
right?
korma curry.
Like a chicken korma curry.
But I can smell peanuts. A lot of peanuts.
So all our vegetables are already there. And then how we should prepare it?
We can also put some proteins.
Okay,
Like
yeah.
tofu, tempe,
Tempe,
and boiled egg.
and then boiled milk.
But it's all up to you. I mean, if you don't want to put this, that is okay.
And carbs.
Add carbs like
So-
What
Yeah.
is this?
this is rice cake. Okay, we made it from rice,
Okay, wait. So it's like a cooked rice,
half cooked rice.
half cooked rice. Okay.
We do this.
Okay, and then we mashed it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, and then we cover it.
We cover it with the
Banana leaves.
Banana
Yeah.
leaves.
Yeah.
Then boil
Okay.
for 1.5 hours.
Okay.
Cover it in water.
Oh, covered in water. Okay.
I'll open it in front of you guys. It's really interesting. I never saw something like this in my entire life.
Yeah. When we call it lontong, right?
Lontong.
Yes.
Lontong.
Yes, lontong.
Ooh, this looks like
Yes.
Shiny.
shiny.
Yes. So the lontong is long, and then you just can cut it according to what you like. But this-
Sambal?
The sambal.
It's
It's just like that.
chili, only chili.
Okay. So is it available in India?
Yeah. We use
Okay.
small chili. We boil it and then
Mixed with the blender.
Yes. Okay.
Only chili,
only chili.
without onion or something. And then we also have fried shallots, I believe.
Spices.
Yeah, this is fried shallots.
Okay.
It's also for condiments on top of it. Yeah.
And then we also have rice cracker or kerupuk
Or papad.
or papad.
Papa.
Yes.
Yes. This is the buffet.
Thank God,
usually-
this is
We check out
available
this.
in India. This is your first time,
This is my
so
first
you
time.
have to taste all.
Okay.
I think you just can also add the some of the lontong.
First, the lontong first.
One or two on your plates.
Okay.
Also, it'll take around 2 just to try, and then
You can add the vegetable.
you can add the vegetables.
Just little bit.
So,
Just add everything.
everything.
Okay, you can add protein then.
If you want to add some proteins.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah. Puppet, you want some?
Yeah.
And this is the shallot. It's really dry, so it's not wet. It's dry. Yeah. Okay, so now you can add the sauce. How we should add the sauce? Just put it
as many as
over.
you want. As many as you want.
Oh, okay.
I'll just mix this and then I'll just pour
Put
it,
it on top of it.
like this. Okay.
If you want the fancy one, you can add it like in a separate saucepan, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
And the fancy one. But this is like the original Indonesian way. We put all the sauce on the top of it.
And then fried salad.
Okay. Top
Yes.
of it. Yes. Oh, I forgot to do that. Okay. And now we eat it.
Eat it.
Oh.
Yes.
yeah. This is my final plate. Looks like this.
It looks so beautiful and
Colorful.
abstract.
That's very nice. Abstract. Yes.
So I'll mix it.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Mix, mix, mix.
Mix it all together.
Nice. It's sweet.
It is sweet.
And if you want some chili, like Indian people really likes, chili,
Spicy sauce. Yeah.
spicy, and then we can add this
Yes.
In the mix.
in the mix.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's yummy. In my entire life,
Yes.
I've never tasted something like this. It's really different.
Is there any Indian food taste like this?
No,
No. This is
No.
This is
authentic. This is different.
different. Really
Yes.
different. Okay.
Okay, so that's all the episode for today. Like we're cooking the Gado-Gado for you. I hope that you can try it. I hope that it will be informative for you and easy for you, even though that we don't have the stove for that. But I believe for you who likes to cook, I think you can.
arrange it.
Yeah, you can arrange it. I think it's easy for you, right? To
Yes.
even imagine that. Okay, so I think that will be all for now. And let me know what kind of food that you want us to cover next time. So like probably like you want to see about the Indonesian curry, for example. So please write in the comments, and please also let us know if you like this episode. Just click the like, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So let's see you again in another Khanna Banana episode, and see you again next time. Bye bye.